I feel sick to my stomach every time I hear that voice. Every time I see that smile, makes me wanna hit reverse. Can't believe all the drama you caused in my universe. You coming in my life was a blessing but a curse. Yeah, you came in my life at like 1 a.m. Now I wish that you just stayed with him. Kinda regret everything that we did, but I can't take things back, so I'll just live with it.
Purchase your tracks today.
Wish I left you in the past, but now I have to go back. Feels like I'm gonna relapse. Can't believe the things that we did. Wish things could've just ended. Feeling sick to my stomach every time I hear that voice. Every time I see that smile, make me wanna hit reverse. Can't believe all the drama you caused in my universe. You coming in my life was a blessing but a curse. You still love your blonde hair, used to always want you here, but now I wish that I was never there. Yeah, you still hit my phone, like why can't you just be gone? Yeah, you still do me wrong, yeah, please just move on. Yeah, you still love every thought about you. Now I wish that I never met you. You got too attached, yeah, that's my bad. No, I can't just drop you, cause your friends will hit my line asking all about you. No, I don't miss you out loud. No, I don't miss what we had. Now I wish you could move on and leave things in the past. Yeah, why can't you do that? Just leave things